Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Creative Stitches. Today I am excited to share the Brazilian embroidery pattern. This pattern will make a stylish statement. It's also fun to stitch with its structured shape. This pattern features adorable animals like cat or puppies. It is perfect if you love animals or want to create something fun for kids. It is easy enough for beginners and add loads of personality to your project. If you are an animal fan, this is must try. If you love quickly and fun designs, you will love this pattern. It is full of playful details and allow for loads of creativity whether you use bright or soft color. This pattern will bring a smile to your face. It's a great choice for a light-hearted project. Sometimes less is more, and this pattern provides that it's a minimalist with clean lines and sophisticated look. It is easy enough for beginner, but still look elegant. This design fits well in any decor style. Celebrate different seasons with this pattern, whether it's for spring, fall, or a holiday. You can change the color to match the season. It's a fun way to add a festive touch to your home decor and make something special for any time of year. For fan of modern art, this pattern brings a bit of magic to your stitching with fantasy elements like fairies, dragons, or unicorns. It is perfect if you love whimsical designs. You can use your imagination to play with colors and detail. It is fun and magical project. For modern art, this pattern is ideal. It features bold shape and colors, letting you get creative with your stitching. This design is perfect for making a unique piece and add a modern touch to your home. Add a nostalgic touch with this vintage floral patterns. It features classic flower design and look timeless. You can use traditional or bright colors to suit your style. This pattern is great for creating elegant decor or special gift. Get into the holiday mood with the festive pattern, whether it's for Christmas, Halloween, or another celebration. This design adds a cheerful touch to your decor. It is simple enough to finish in time for a holiday and look special. For those who love vintage glamour with this art deco pattern, it features bold lines and geometric shapes to create a beautiful design. Experiment with metallic threads and rich, luxurious color to enhance the glamour of the design. It's a stylish choice that add a touch of elegance to your project. Infuse some vintage glamour into your stitching with this art deco inspired with bold lines, geometric shapes, and a touch of opulence. This design captures the essence of the roaring 20s. It's perfect for creating sophisticated decor or gifts with a bit of old world charm. Use various shades of blue and green or opt for vibrant colors for a playful take. The celestial theme offers lots of creative possibilities. Use deep blue and sparkling color to mimic the night sky or vibrant hues for a cosmic twist. It's a wonderful way to bring a bit of the universe into your stitching. For those who find inspiration in the stars, this celestial theme pattern is perfect, featuring moons, stars, and constellations capture the beauty of the night sky. This design is ideal for creating dreamy decor, dreamy or gifts for astronomy enthusiasts. This pattern is great for adding a festive element to your home. It is simple enough to complete in time for the holiday but still looks special and full of cheer. Get into the festive spirit with a holiday themed pattern. You can play around with colors and fabric to enhance the vintage feel or modernize it with bright hues. This pattern is versatile and sure to be favorite. Bring a touch of nostalgia to your stitching with this vintage floral pattern featuring retro inspired floral motifs. This design captures timeless elegance. It is perfect for creating charming home decor items or gifts with a bit of old charm. This pattern is perfect for anyone who loves art and wants to create something truly one of a kind. The striking shapes and color combinations make it a standout project, adding a modern flair to your Brazilian embroidery pattern. For those who love modern art, this pattern is ideal. It's bold, creative, and filled with unique shape and color. Abstract designs are great for those who want to get creative and experiment with different ideas. This design is fun to stitch because they let you unleash your imagination and play with color. Fantasy themed patterns are always a hit, perfect for those who enjoy a bit of magic in their decor. If you love decorating for holidays or changing things up with the season, this project is for you. It is an easy way to update your home decor with the handmade touch. This pattern is perfect for celebrating different seasons throughout the year, whether it's for spring, fall, or the holiday. You can adjust the color to match the season or your home decor. Seasonal patterns are always fun to work on, and this one is no exception. This pattern add a touch to your home. So this is for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video. First, we have a classic pattern that never goes out of style. It is simple but elegant, making it perfect for beginners. The bright colors make it great for spring or summer project. You can even frame it to brighten up your home. Feel free to try different colors to make it uniquely yours. Next, here's pattern that's quick and fun. It is ideal if you are short on time but want to create something beautiful. This easy design is great for beginners and will give you a sense of accomplishment without taking too long. It's also perfect for experienced teachers. Looking for a relaxing project, if you love bright colors, you will enjoy this pattern. It features cheerful bold colors that will make your project stand out. Whether you want to brighten up a room or give a vibrant gift, this design is a great choice. Even beginners will find this pattern fun to stitch. This pattern is great for beginners. It is simple and looks wonderful when finished. The easy stitch and clean lines make it a perfect first project. Experienced teachers will also enjoy this easy and relaxing design. For nature lover, this pattern is perfect. It features leaves and flowers, making it a lovely project for adding a touch of nature to your home. You can use natural color to get creative with bright hues. It Design is a great way to bring some nature into your stitching. Geometric patterns are trendy, and this design is a great example. It has clean lines and bold shape, making it perfect for modern decor. Whether you choose simple or vibrant colors, this pattern will make a stylish statement. It also fun